All right, we're going to be addressing the future pollinator garden right here. This is going to be all for the pollinators. Each year we leave it just for nature. I never garden it. And we've actually had box turtles in here, skinks, little snakes, DK's brown snakes, some bigger snakes like black rat snakes. But yeah, there's been a lot of wildlife in here, so we want to keep it that way. But what I'm just going to do is chop and drop all this stuff here, all these plants. It's a lot of like Chinese mugwort and stuff. You see it coming up there now. Check that out. Yeah, but we're just going to chop and drop this year, and then I'm going to take some beautiful soil from the walkways. It's been mulched for several years. It's really broken down, really pretty now. And we're going to throw it on this after I chop and drop. And then we'll put down our seed. Shall be fun. Okay, got the holes dig. Got some nice dark soil from the paths over there and over there. Put it all down there. Look, my little pond, my little nature pond. It's not doing so great, but we'll get it back up and more healthy this year. But yeah, so this is just the start of the pollinator garden. It'll be blooming in no time. But there's like corn and all these other plants that I've chopped and dropped and put under there. And yeah, hopefully the wildlife stays and sticks around. I want to see the snakes and the toads and the skinks, box turtles. Oh, it's a really hazy day. Look at that. There's wildfires up or down in North Carolina and South Carolina, so it's a super hazy day. But yeah, dig those holes. Good to go. I'm gonna probably put a couple bags down just on top of that clay, and then be good to go for the start of a pollinator garden. Whoop.